Compound interest. Compound interest is calculated on the loan amount plus the interest that accumulates on that principal during each compounding period. Okay, so it's the interest accumulated in one compounding period. It is added to the existing principal. Then the interest is calculated for the new compounding period based on the new principal amount. So let's look at an example here. For an example, $100 borrowed for 5 years, compound interest is charged at 10% per year. So let's look at this chart here. So on the first year, the amount borrowed is $100. The amount charged is $10. So the total interest is $10, giving the balance of $110. On the second year, there's nothing else being borrowed. But the interest charge is $11 because it is $110 times 10%, which is $11, giving the total interest of $21. So the total balance after 2 years is $121. So now on the third year, that $121 gets the interest of is charged an interest of 10%, so times 10%, and you have $12.10 worth of interest is earned in that third year, giving a total interest of $33.10, and the total balance being $133.10 after 3 years. So now interest is compounded on this $133.10. Whoops, that's too much. $133.10 times 10%. And now the total interest on the $133.10 is $13.31, giving the total interest over the 4 years as $46.41, and the total amount of interest being, the total balance of the loan so far after 4 years is $146.41. So now for the final 5th year, the 10% interest is being charged on the $146.41 times 10%. So the interest being charged is $14.64, giving the total interest is $61.05 over the course of the 5-year loan, and the total balance is $161.05. So after 5 years, the balance is $161.05 with compounding interest.